Howdy.
Organic gardening supplies. Gardening projects are not all created equal. The success of any project depends on having the right tools for the job. This fact is no less true when it comes to organic gardening. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing organic gardening supplies. So, let's dive in. Fertilizers. Have you ever been unable to find an effective way of fertilizing your garden? If so, then compost is the perfect solution. It's full of micronutrients which help plants resist disease as well. Compost can be used in a variety of ways. Plant mediums for pots and planters, or mulch around different areas like flower beds. Compost helps plants prevent fungus growth and insects while delivering necessary nutrients into the soil. Insecticides. If you have a small infestation and this is your first time dealing with it, try to remove it by hand. If that becomes too much for you, however, the neem oil may be the best option as an all-purpose insecticide which kills mites and fungus while also killing eggs, larvae and adults. Neem oil comes from the neem tree and is native to India. It's both organic and biodegradable. Chools. Forks and hoes. Head to your nearest garden centre and pick up a trusty forged steel fork. Square or V-shaped tines with diamond tips work best for turning soil, digging potatoes out of the ground, when you're ready, and even composting. The hoe is a must-have tool for any gardener, as it can be used to plant seedlings and weed. Other tools. Tools like a good pair of gloves or mat or rolling bench will make gardening easier. So, that just about wraps things up for the video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I'll see you later.